trees and blue of seas, wildflowers swaying in the breeze. A dewdrop rests on petals bright, sunlight's laughter, diamond light. I close my eyes, colors smile, sense of sweetness drift a while. My heart finds peace in all things fair, in shades and hues beyond compare. Let city walls be filled with art, let calmness bloom in every heart. Each window shows a springtime view, our home, a garden bathed in dew. Each place holds a different hue, nature composed